Hey guys and gals out there, today we've got something different going on though. Oreo has a contest going on right now. They are looking for the next best flavor to be on their shelves of summer 2018. Hopefully we got the answer for them right here today, and it is called the Almond Cinnamon Croissant Crunch. However, I'm going to add a little twist to this. We're going to make the filling from scratch. And right behind me, the Oreo cookies that you see, we're going to remove the filling from the inside, and we're going to put our own creation in the middle instead. See you soon. My final product. For the Oreo cookie challenge, I call this one the Almond Cinnamon Croissant Crunch. This looks amazing. I hope that everyone else out there likes the way it looks, and I'm sure it's going to taste as good as well. Let's give it a shot. Wow. Wow. The cinnamon and almonds are at a right balance. This is perfect. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.